Speaker, you speak whatever nonsense you want to speak. Yeah.
Amacha malungi yonna gy'osinzira okuba ng'ompuliriza naye nga nja kusaba vidiyo eno ogilaikinge oluvannyuma nkwongereyo n'amawulire aga sipiika avudde mu mbeera lwa Hon. Ssekikubo okuvayo n'adimandinga palamenti eddemu okuba ng'edisikasinga ku nsonga ya parliamentary exhibition eyazingira mu sipiika kosa ne bakomishona nga Mafayasi Mpuuga ne banne abalala abaali beegabanya miliyoni ezisoba mu 5.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I rise to remind the Chair about the undertaking you made to this House while we were to close off for Easter holiday. You had undertook that we shall have opportunity to debate on the issue of the parliamentary exhibitions, wherein members read about the profligacy of the commission of this House, whereupon the allegations about the handshake to the commissioners was debated, whereabout the backbench commissioners were given money ranging from 400 million to 500. And you undertook, Right Honorable Speaker, that an opportunity would be availed to us to have this matter thoroughly debated, concluded, and put to rest. Right Honorable Speaker, you speak whatever nonsense you want to speak. Yeah. I have sense, I can assure you. You speak. No, I have sense. There's no doubt about that.
Hon. Ssekikubo agamba si wakwesonyiwa nsonga ya accountability ya the speaker agezaako okuba nga gyebalama naye nga ye agamba wakunonooza n'okulondoola ssente y'omuwiw'omusolo engeri gyekozesebwamu.
Honorable Speaker, I will not rest until accountability is given to this House. I need the commissioners, they are here seated, to tell us where they got the money, the 400 million. It is a ploy by the likes of the MP Kazo. Kazo had produced very brilliant MPs. I've never seen someone being used as a hatchet man. But now we have the commissioners here with us. I don't want to be diverted from my initial point. Can Right Honorable Speaker give us the time and date here and now for the commissioners to explain this House where they got the 400 million? Where they put it? Who voted it? We are on the question of accountability, and they want to scatter the debate over that. Yes, there are important issues we have to deal with, but the moment we don't plug the loopholes, the moment we allow the public funds to be wasted and shared in broad daylight and blatantly, Right Honorable Speaker, there is a big problem.